Hello everyone, my name is Seha and welcome back to another Project Leonhartz video. Today we are going to talk about the synchronization with the proxies. But first I want to do a little demonstration of my code so far with the character sync script that will synchronize from the client to the server. Because in the previous video I haven't shown how it really works in the game, but I only show the script and just talk about how it works, but I haven't shown anything in the real game yet, so some of you might think I'm just bullshitting. Anyway, so here I will just run the server code, and in here I am running the client side on the editor, and inside the owner prefab, which will be instantiated inside the client here, I will disable my script, the character sync script here, and I will run the game. This will run properly, but it will not be able to synchronize with the server because of course I disabled the script. So here we go, I connect to the server and let's see, let's find, here we go. This is the client that just connected to the server side, and see the character controller script is working properly on the owner, on the client. It can move around. So yeah, it's like a single player game. You know, it doesn't have any connection with the server. Okay, now let's enable the script and make that single player character controller there into a network script or a network character, whatever. So there we go. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay, so there we go. We have connected to the server, and this time we have the script enabled. Here we go. There you are. Yeah. See, now the character is synchronized with the server side. I ran out of the view. Okay, here, that way it's easier to see. Okay, now we can test the character, the validation, the position validation on the server side. To do that, I have this wall here that is on the server side. I disable the collider on the client, but I have the collider on the server. So in that case, that means the client side doesn't have any collider, so that means that my character can move through this wall. See? So it can move through this wall, but on the server side, the character cannot. So in that case, the server will decide that whenever I move a bit too far, let's see, whenever I move too far from the limit that I set on the server side, the server will tell the client that its position is wrong, and then it will send the client back to the position that the server thinks is the correct one. Yeah, so that's the position validation. And this wall, it has a collider, so I cannot move through. Yeah, so you can see that the synchronization work, and the character, the server authority from the server is working as well. Okay. Now this is great because, like I said, I want a modular type of script that can just be plugged and play with any kind of movement script. So yeah, this script can do that. I can just disable it and it's fine. It doesn't it's not connected to any other script. It's just completely independent. So I can just put in a completely different movement script from somewhere that I think is good, that I want to try out, and then just plug it in there. As long as I can move the character inside the client, it will synchronize, no problem. Yeah, so that's the demo. Now in the next video I will talk about the proxy, and it will come very soon.